the District line. This is a Piccadilly line service to Arms Grove.
This is the Harry Potter section of Primark. Just don't know what to get. There's so much stuff.
This is like overwhelming.
Going into the elevator. There's literally so much stuff in here. Look what we got. We need to try all that on. I couldn't find anything like outfit-wise Harry Potter related, so I guess we'll see. Maybe I'll get a PJ set. I don't know. Let's begin trying on all these clothes.
Constantly in the shower, in my car.
I'm getting a couple of things here. I don't know if I'm gonna buy all of these. I'm gonna see how much money I have. This is my sister's. This is all our stuff combined. I'll probably show you guys what I got in a haul. 52 pounds. Pretty good for all the stuff that I got. I'll show you guys what I got in another video.
Come let me hear you soothe my referee. You are the notes inside my head. I must have dreamt of you while laying peacefully in bed. There's no trying to deny it. It's impossible to fight it. So untie me and unwind me like a thread.
So we're going to get some frozen yogurt.
It's impossible to fight it. So untie me and unwind me like a thread. Keep whistling your name. Keep whistling your name. Whistling
Want some sprinkles or no? Okay. You're getting it all over my hand. Sorry. That's okay.
I don't want too much.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
whistling your name. Keep whistling your name. Whistling
What do you think? Does it taste different?
Like matcha.
They're like dairy-free, gluten-free. It's all vegan.
Try to get the sprinkle out of your hand.
You are the greatest antidote to anyone who sings your name. Quote.
Okay, so we just had frozen yogurt. Well, yeah, frozen yogurt. Yeah, frozen yogurt. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Anyways, so we had frozen yogurt.
I didn't know how to
Spell prefer. We had the matcha. We shared a mellow matcha in the classic. So that's what they look like. They're really, really fancy. The place was so cute and retro. I just, yeah. So yeah, if ever you guys find yourself in London, then go to this place called Eureka. They have one in Soho, which is the one that we went to, and then they have the Notting Hill one.
Greatest antidote to anyone who sings your name, quote unquote. Won't you whisper in my ear?
Which Dalmatian is this?
I'm gonna call it Lucky,
Lucky?
because I feel like it's lucky, but I don't know if
Yeah.
it is.
And I will sing your tune.
And anyway, so I'm gonna change my shoes because, I mean, my runners are killing me. Tomorrow will be our official last full day in London before we head home to take the plane, which I'm not excited about at all. Bye! So at first we weren't sure if we wanted to actually go because you have to buy another ticket and it's more expensive, but we decided to go anyways because we really want to see our friend. So we're just waiting here at this station, waiting for the train to arrive, and it should be here in like 20 minutes. This is an interesting station. At first it was really overwhelming because there was a lot of people.
You are a simple melody, a catchy little tune that I sing so constantly in the shower. Hours on good time.
So we're just gonna have a picnic. We're gonna bring some food and just, yeah, spend an afternoon just relaxing. Because they're just about to come down, so.
Come let me in, soothe my reverie.
Find like a beautiful place to like. That was the lady something place. Yeah, it's kind of nice.
You are the notes inside my head. I must have dreamt of you.
Tell by how warm the box is. Oh my goodness.
The green one.
I don't think we can see.
No, the one in the tree trunk.
Zoom in.
Oh. Ah.
Yeah. Here.
Looking
Right
around
there.
for some food.
So cute.
So cute.
Trying to get out.
Oh. Oh.
The notes inside my head. I must have dreamt of you while laying peacefully in bed. There's no trying to deny. It's impossible to fight it. So untie me and unwind me like a thread. Keep whistling the name.
The last night in London for us. Until next time.
To anyone who sings your name, quote unquote, won't you whisper in my ear everything I long to hear, and I will sing your tune.